Hey guys, it's me, Wanda, the solo traveler. I hope you can hear me above the noise of the train and the wind, but I am on the Wilderness Express Alaskan Railroad train leaving Denali and on my way back to Anchorage. Just wanted you to see some of the views, and I'm going to take you inside the train. To show you a little bit. I'm sure you can hear me much better now. I'm on the inside of the train. And this area here is the dining room. They're having breakfast. They do serve breakfast and lunch on the train in the dining area. With some packages, meals are included, and with others, it is a charge. So you want to make sure that you take heed to whatever your package is. Now I'm going to show you upstairs. I'm going to take you upstairs to where the seating is. Navigate, please. Okay, winding steps. And this is the seating area.
It might take me
this is one of the crew.
an hour and a half to get an ambulance to my place, then another hour to get back to an urgent care facility that's going to have limited supplies.
So we actually have a semi-full car today, so we can stretch out.
Yeah.
You see the dome, the glass dome. View all around.
Yep. Yeah, that's the
That's it, guys. Hope you enjoy. Bye.